Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have Happy Mail. I do know what this is, and I'm excited about it. This is from Irene Hough. We will leave her link below. I met Irene in St. Louis, Missouri last year at the Dolly Meetup. Actually, she wasn't at the Dolly Meetup, but she was at the show. And let me make sure everything's out. Yes, it is. Irene asked about doing a collab. Making sure this is for everybody. Dear Marna, I hope you find this finds you well. Just a little note to say thank you, and your sidekick Darren, thank you for noticing him. For all you guys do in the Dolly world, thank you. I have included extra pattern pieces so that you have a backup. I always like to have a backup. Thought you might too. Irene Hough. Yes, I cut one pattern and then I pin it to the second pattern. Irene wanted to do a collab and asked me if I would co-host for this outfit here, and it's for a 14-inch doll. All you have to do is let Irene R.I. and I know that you would like to participate. We're going to be using the jelly bean soup designs. You can find these online, and we're doing the little outfit with the pants with it. Darling, darling outfit. I have not looked at the pattern, but I'll tell you what, it's got pictures and written instructions. So I was looking for the pattern itself. There we go. Yeah, this looks, if you take your time and go slow, looks like a pretty easy pattern, but I've never done it before. We will be doing this collab on July 27th. So you do have time to buy your pattern and get your little outfit made up. And it's really going to be fun. It is always fun to do patterns with a group or just even another person, because it's fun to see what fabrics people choose and which dolls. 14-inch dolls, that covers a lot. That's your Welly Wishers, your Sparker girls, I think the Glitter girls. There's a lot of them that size. There's Disney dolls. So there's a lot to choose from. Irene, thank you so much. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.